is the most beautiful day! They got helmets on their heads, but I got a watermelon instead! This is glorious! Y'all thought I had a watermelon instead, but I got a team of pumpkin heads! This is athletic! He struggles to lift the weight, but I got watermelon to keep me in shape. This is romantic! He struggles to get the ladies, but dating debris in my watermelon Mercedes. This is life-saving! They almost drowned when they went out boating, but I got a watermelon to keep me floating. This is relaxing! He tossed and turned to the sound of thunder, but I got watermelon to soothe my slumber. This is hygienic! She showers with Pantene, but I got watermelon to keep me clean. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen! There's sherbet in my home, made out of watermelon! Yes, Lord! This is the most beautiful thing I ever seen! There's a hat in my home, made out of watermelon! Yes, nigga!
In the criminal justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. In New York City, the dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Unit. These are their stories.
Pancake. Milkshake.
Out of my way, kid.
Pancake. Milkshake. Milkshake. I'm starting to understand why people like this game. Very zen. Milkshake.
Hey, look what I found! More pancakes!
Let's speed it up. Pancake, 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 pancake. Eat, little bunny. Eat.
Ralph, you might want to try feeding the kitty for a little while.
No, the kitty gets the milkshake. The bunny gets the pancake.
That's what she said!
You can say that over the phone, Batman, but if I had you here, I'd pound you to a pulp!
Start pounding, Joker.
Hey, yo, Blake, better get this dude. I've been talking trash on us for a while. Get him, bro.
Hi, my name is Reggie. I like
hot and steamy hot dog weenie.
I really like
Foot-long dingle dong.
There's just something about them. I like their touch, their smell, their...
I'm just saying.
taste.
You will not let me go!